so that I can keep it for. I want
Listen to me.
Okay.
This is a community.
Okay, sir.
Are you hearing me?
The initial video that you watched was the only 8 seconds video clip that I was able to get from the inhuman treatment that I received from Abakaliki people and the Abakaliki police officers at the Abakaliki rice mill. I traveled down to Abakaliki, Ebonyi State with a lot of expectations to explore the agricultural aspect of the state. But all thanks to Mr. Joseph Onono, who is a big-time agricultural farmer who has been a 2-time chairman of the Abakaliki rice mill and has been appointed to represent his constituency at the State House of Assembly. My name is Omeni Huchukwudiwe Azumra. I will dedicate a special clip where I will tell you the inhuman treatment that I got from the Abakaliki people. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and make sure that you turn on your notification bell for all videos, so that you'll be notified when I drop new videos on the channel.
My name still remains Honorable Dikin Joseph Onono, member representing Abakaliki South Constituency in Ebonyi State House of Assembly and the former chairman of Abakaliki Rice Mill Owners Industrial Association. A great farmer.
Being the Abakaliki rice mill chairman, is the Abakaliki rice mill a private business or a government-owned business?
Really, as I can tell you, Abakaliki Rice Mill is a pure private business owned by private individuals that cut across the state of Ebonyi.
So how long were you the chairman of the rice mill, sir?
Really, I've been there for 2 consecutive tenures as the chairman of Abakaliki Rice Mill. So a tenure is 3 years, and I've been there for good 6 years now. And as God may have it, from the performance I had at Abakaliki Rice Mill, I was uplifted to Ebonyi State House of Assembly. As a lawmaker, I contested the election and won. Today, I'm running for my second tenure in Ebonyi State House of Assembly. But that does not stop me from doing my business at the rice mill. I have a legitimate business. I have a good farm. I grow rice and I process rice and I market rice.
So you have been the Abakaliki rice mill chairman for 2 tenures, which is consecutively 6 years. Can you please tell us how you contributed to the growth of Abakaliki rice mill?
Really, my big brother, I did all my best. I interface with the federal government, state government, and local government. And I've done so marvelously well. I've brought in digital milling machines, efficient milling machines that can make our rice gain favorably in the world market of Nigeria today. And that's why you can see today Abakaliki rice is no more with stone. We have a stone-free rice because of the type of machine we use in processing our rice. And you can see anywhere you go, you hear Abakaliki rice. It's the most famous rice one can go with in Nigeria today because it has a good taste, it's fresh, and it has all it takes, all the nutrients needed of rice. As I can tell you, I have done many things to upgrade and uplift the meal. Today, the rice mill is on the next level, and that is why you can see every state governors come to Abakaliki rice mill to source the rice for their living. The rice they share for the downtrodden, they buy from us here. And here we have a quality rice that one can buy. Even if you need 10 trailers in a day, we have the capacity of producing because we produce 150 tons per hour, not in a day. And we work for 4 hours in every day. We regulate time because if we work with our full capacity, we cannot see buyers that can buy all we produce for day. And today, as I can tell you, that Abakaliki rice mill have come to stay. Yes, actually, in Abakaliki rice mill, there you see different type of rice. We have a parboiled rice, but we have R8, we have CP, we have mass, that is 306 rice, and we have long grain rice. In all our rice here, I assure you that any of our rice you buy is perfectly clean. We have a diabetic rice, that is brown rice, that diabetic patients use to reduce the level of sugar in their body because the rice don't have sugar. So, my people, I still beat my chest to tell you that Abakaliki rice mill is the only source of living in Nigeria today. We produce rice that is serving the whole nation. Lagos State, they source their rice here. Abuja, Abangwa, Imo, Owerri, all part of Nigeria. They come to Abakaliki rice here to source their rice. So I always tell people, if you are interested in Abakaliki rice, or you have been hearing Abakaliki rice, and you don't know where to locate Abakaliki rice, kindly ask of Ebonyi State. When you get down to Ebonyi State, ask of number 50 Ogoja Road. As you get to number 50 Ogoja Road, you will see a very big signpost that is boldly written, "Welcome to Abakaliki Rice Mill." And we have our phone number that you can easily call in case you are in need of Abakaliki rice and you don't know how to come. We can ship it to your doorstep through a billing. Yes, as you pay to our company account, we will bill your rice to your doorstep. You can call this very number 080-3745-7971, 080-3745-7971, or 070-864-353-89, 070-864-353-89. Those are the numbers you can call anytime you are anywhere and you needed Abakaliki rice. It will come to you easily.
What is the advantage of being a rice farmer?
Thank you, my big brother. As I can tell you, if you engage yourself into agriculture, especially rice production, I'm telling you, you make more money, you make more profit. Because rice business is no more ordinary business. It's a major business that one can engage into and you survive easily. That's why you can see a genuine rice farmer sending his children to abroad to go at school, because it's no more the time that the farmers doesn't have money. Check how much a bag of rice is costing in the market today. 50 kg rice is 18,000 naira, while 50 kg rice is 37,000 naira a bag. Based on this, we that believe in agriculture, we are making it seriously. Yes, we are making it. That's why I can beat my chest to advise our Nigerian youth to seriously engage themselves into agriculture. Take it as a business. It's no more a time you do agriculture for only source of feeding alone. No, it's area you can make huge money. Yes, because if you grow this our Pharaoh 44, 45, yes, those rice has very good yielding. If you grow, if it has it, you will see in every year you make a very big harvest, a very big bomber harvest. And in doing that, I'm telling you, there's no challenges you can face that you cannot subdue, because a man that has food on his table and has money on his pants, and I'm telling you, sky is his limit. So I advise our Nigerian youth, don't only concentrate on white-collar job. Don't only concentrate on politics. It doesn't favor always. It fails. But as a good farmer, you make good friends. You make good relationship with the less privileged. And they are the one that has the powers. They are the one that has enough PVC to cast vote for you. So based on this, I advise we engage ourselves seriously in agriculture. You will survive it when doing it.
So what are the challenges that you guys at the Abakaliki rice mill that you face as a farmer?
Ever before now, we have been having serious challenges. We have not been having it very well with those great politicians. But today, as God may have it, we have a man that is the good governor of Ebonyi State and is farmers friendly. Yes, one chief, Dave Mweze Omahi. He's doing so well. So that is why this man introduced a policy that says 1 man, 1 hectare. Even if you're a government worker, you must have a farm. Even if you are who, you must have a farm. Even if you're a commissioner or an honorable member, you must have a farm. So he introduced agriculture, and we're taking it as our second address in Ebonyi State. And that's why you cannot see poor people in Ebonyi now. Ebonyi politics is so good now because our farmers have joined politicians to grow agriculture. It's not more the time you only see poor people going to the farm to do farming alone. No, those multimillionaires that made money through politics have equally engaged themselves into serious farming, and that's making farming work easy. That's why His Excellency the Governor of the state brought in over 300 tractors and distributed to genuine farmers in Ebonyi State, and we are having it easy to cultivate, to till, to do everything we want to do. We are doing mechanized farming now through the help of our governor, and this made Ebonyi the full basket of the nation. It's only here you can come, you get your rice in abundance, and go back freely and enjoy the dividends of agriculture.
There is one African youth watching this video right now who wants to engage into rice farming. From your years of experience in the rice farming industry, can you give us a step-by-step tutorial, just a primary step-by-step tutorial, a highlight on how someone can engage into agricultural farming, rice farming to be more specific?
Really, if you want to be a good rice farmer, you do first of all engage on a good fertile land. Yes, where you will cultivate. Yes, by the dry season, you prepare the land using a tractor to harrow the land, get it ready, well tilled. Then, as we engage a rainy season, yes, you make sure that first early rain, you throw chemical in that land. As you throw chemical that will clear the weeds, you cast your rice. As you cast your rice, you leave it for a month. You throw another chemical that will remove weed. After that, you keep watching your rice. The rice will be growing step by step. In not less than 3 months, the rice will be done for harvesting. As you harvest, you load it on the bag. Look for truck to carry your rice to the rice mill. As you get to the rice mill, you can easily parboil your rice. After parboiling, you dry. After drying, you mill. After milling, we'll sell for you, and you have your money cash and left home happily.
Someone who wants to start agricultural farming, there are challenges that person will face while starting up the agricultural farming. So can you show challenges to the people watching this video right now, so that when they want to start their own rice farm, they won't be looking at the monetary aspect of it. They will also have the challenge in mind and know what they are going into.
Really, that is why in Ebonyi State, our governor made a laid-down policy of 1 man, 1 hectare. Yes, as a rice farmer, it does not mean that you are going to cultivate the whole land alone for yourself as a starter, as a beginner. You can start with 1 hectare. As you're done with 1 hectare and you harvest and mill and sell, you make profit, you engage yourself in 2 hectares. Gradually, you become a big rice farmer. It does not mean you wait when you have 1 million naira before you engage yourself into rice farming cultivation. No, you can start even with 5,000, 10,000 can take you to the bush. You make effort, put your own effort, add to what you have on ground. You succeed. If you want to succeed in life, don't depend on white-collar job.